Hello everyone. So I'm going to show you the Azure free services that we have, like all the free services that people can use in Azure. So the last two videos I made, like how you can get your pay-as-you-go model, how you can register for that, how you can set it up, and also I also made a video on how to start with Azure and get a free trial for 12 months. I also wanted to show you guys how to get the $200 free credit also, but for whatever reason this account was unable to get it, maybe because of the payment method I used. So I suggest you guys use two different cards for your, if you have different accounts and if you want to claim that account. So I'll quickly show you guys all the free services that is offered by Azure. So you can come here. This is the portal.azure.com. So if you come here, you can see this is the dashboard. This might not be visible for the people who are already using the Azure, because this is for the people who are just starting. Okay, so if you click on this, you will go to the free services, and even if this particular thing is not there, you guys can come here and click on free. As you can see, so you guys have seen in that account, right? So this is my account. As you can see, there is no particular, all the student free trial, the dashboard that was showing to me. So how you can check the free services offered by Azure over here? Come here and click on this free and click on free services. As you can see, it will list out all the free services that is available for us. And now if you come here, you can see the Windows virtual machine, which is for 750 hours you can use it for free without any charge. Same with the Linux virtual machine. And this is the Azure disk storage, and this is blob storage. Like that, you have all of free. And here you can also have PostgreSQL, which is amazing. Most people that use that only. MySQL is also good, but people are switching to Postgre much more and now. And you can see the bandwidth, a lot of things, AI, and there are also a lot of AI things in here too. And yeah, there are a lot of things that you can use. And if you come down here, services that always include monthly free amount. So there is a monthly limit for us too. Not only the 1 year limit that we have got from that, there is also a monthly limit for these services. And right now I'm actually working on Microsoft Entra ID for something. So like that, you have all options over here. You can go in, you can check in, you can check all the things that you want to. And there is also automation, and which is for 500 minutes. I think it's very less if you're actually using it for a big projects, but as you can see, this is a free service. There are a lot of organizations that use this Azure for a lot of things, and their billing is always around tens and thousands of dollars. So that is the reason why Azure is really that famous, and Azure is really amazing. So these are all the free services. You can go and explore the services that you want, and the services that I'm going to use, I'll be showing you guys in the next video, like what we are working on, how we are working on all the stuff in the next video. Okay. And also, if you want to see what are all the services which are not in also free, like not free services for at all, you can come here like this and click on the all services, and it will take you to all the services that is offered by Azure. As you can see, it is actually in categorical wise, AI plus machine learning. These are all the AI services. Okay. And if you come down, these are the analytic services, data factories, data lake storage, which is Gen 1. I think they'll be getting an upgrade too soon. And we have Azure Databricks too. And we have compute, this is entirely for actually deploying your virtual machines and all. Okay. We have containers, we have databases, and we have DevOps. There are a lot of categorical stuff. And from these, there are only some free services that you guys can use. So that's how it is divided, and that's how Azure actually works. And there's a lot of things that you can learn. As you can see, all the categories are here. We're just getting started with Azure, and I'll making a series of Azure videos soon. I'm also learning a lot of stuff which I didn't know at first, because switching from AWS to Azure is not that really easy. There is also a lot of AWS contents on my channel too. You guys can go and check it. I'm gonna put the playlist over here or something. And yeah, that's it for this video. I just wanted to show the Azure UI and show you all the works happening. And let me know in the comments if you want to have any specific thing that you want to be explained. Like, as you can see, if you go to settings, there are a lot of things. You can go to the appearance, and you can go to the language and region. You have to set that up, and a lot of things are there. And we'll also look into a lot of things in the next videos too. Yeah. And the mask thing, as I told you, my health is not good, so that is the reason I'm wearing this mask, because yeah. So I'll see you guys next videos. Until then,